When was the last time you told someone that the ideas that you saw someone else do, just you can't make happen? When was the last time that you told someone that that can't work? I can't make that happen. That's not something that can work. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License. Thank you again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks to all of my sponsors like Promo Only and Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner and Disc Jockey News and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So you say this a lot, do you? You see a DJ do a thing and you go, no, not in my neighborhood. I can't do that. I can't make that happen. You hear about someone like me that charges a premium rate and say, I can't charge that kind of money. You hear about people telling stories or doing narratives or special introductions, say, I can't do that. That's something I can't do. You heard about a DJ that sings at his event. Oh, no, I can't sing that. You can't. You're a guy who can dance with his customers and do something like a Lindy or can do swing dancing with people. Oh, I can't and I won't. Those words, I can't, should be erased from your vocabulary. Just erase them. Because the word I can't is really you saying that you won't. Because the truth is, anything that I can do, you can do. Anything that anybody else can do, you can do. You can do anything. You won't, and that's okay. I'm really okay. You won't charge a premium price like I do. Okay, I'm good with that. But you can't tell me that you can't charge the kind of prices I charge. Because you won't. I'm okay with won't. I'm not okay with can't. I'm not okay with you telling me that you cannot do a thing. Because I can. And I'm nothing special. I have been you. I am you. And I came, I started when I was 12. I was making $10 for a show. And when I had my company and was put it out there for people to find on the internet and had a business plan, I was still charging $500 for my premium price. And when I heard people were charging 5 times that amount of money, I was like, I can't do that. No, I wouldn't. Okay. When you hear the word I can't come out of your mouth, you need to replace it with I won't. And then see if it feels good coming out of your mouth. Because I won't should be okay with you, or you need to stop saying it. I can't is not true. I want you to say things that are truthful. And we do create our world in what we say, okay? Our language creates our universe. And if you see you can't be as good a DJ as that guy, then you're just not gonna, because you won't try. You won't take the classes necessary. You won't get the mentor or the coach or the teacher. You won't go and get a workshop so you can learn how to tell stories. You won't take a dance class so you can dance. You won't go get a singing class so you can figure out how to sing. I'm okay with you won't. I swear. You can be I won't all you want, but that's honest. I can't? Not honest. You're not being honest with yourself, and you're not being honest with me when you tell me you can't do it, because I know it can be done because someone as idiotic as me has made it happen. Okay, I'm nothing special, man. I'm really not. But I've learned what's necessary to be able to do a thing that I said I couldn't do, because I did it. I stopped saying I won't, and I just said I will. I will. You say you will, and you will. You say you can't and you won't. Am I confusing you yet? It really sounds like just semantics, but as I said, I really believe that we create our lives. We create our universe in the words that we use inside our head and outside of our head. So quit saying you can't do a thing. That just is resigning, and it's bad talk, and it's nothing that's going to help you be more than you are, or even just be who you are. Okay, you can do anything you want to do. You want it? You quit saying you can't. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me that I can't say this. Go ahead, try. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.